We got all of the Supercars lined up, and this Aventador is so nice. The Aventador S with that triple exhaust tips, and then it's got the carbon fin, the double carbon fin, because the Aventador has its own fin that pops up, and it's braking. This is a Roadster, the orange, the carbon, and then those rims, the orange brake calipers. Then the carbon and the orange outline on the hood. Urus. Oh, check out this. He's got the blue shifters. Now it's time to catch up. Reving. Yes, this is totally legal because we got the police escort. They're blocking off all the roads. Oh yeah, we're in a tunnel. We need to get, come on. Rev it, rev it. Whoop, whoop. We're cruising to the Lars Anderson. Oh my gosh. The pops from that car. And you see that Tesla. We found a Gallardo race car. Oh my gosh, this thing is crazy. Total race car inside. We got some more, but this is only a little bit of an event. Up there is where all the Lambos and Ferraris are from the cruise.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
We got an F1 steering wheel in this thing. Look at that. It's like, looks like they cut the top of the steering wheel off. Nearly. This Murcielago is insane. And the lights are like mean. Wow, this car is nice. Murcielago. We found the Huracan STO. Wow. Thing looks amazing. This is like road legal. This thing is crazy. Roof scoop STO. Wow. This looks like an ordinary Huracan, but when you get to the back, you got a twin turbo Huracan. Look at that. This thing, like twin turbo, makes it have way more horsepower. It makes it way faster. I saw this car earlier and I didn't even know that it was twin turboed. And then when it drove by, it was like, oh my gosh. And this Huracan Evo is also really nice. We got the Huracan STO up there, the new one. And we got the Bruins one. This is a Bruins Gallardo. Very nice. I've seen this car now like a lot of times, like over 6. We just found the Koenigsegg CCR and thing loaded onto this truck. Wow. I've seen 4 Koenigsegg's today. Aventador. We found the Lamborghinis. We got an Aventador S. We got the Aventador SVJ with the 63 on it. This is a special one, 63 edition. And then we got the Huracan STO. Saw one of these a few weeks ago at the Lamborghini cruise. This is like the totally traditional STO colors. Check that out. This lineup of cars is the most insane lineup in the entire world.